Let us prove that j half of x is equal to root 2 by pi x into sin x and j minus half of x is equal to root 2 by pi x into cos x. So to prove this, let us use the result jn of x. Already we know that jn of x is equal to summation r is equal to 0 to infinity minus 1 power r x by 2 power n plus 2r into 1 by gamma of n plus r plus 1 into r factorial. This is the formula that we have already studied and we got the solution from the Bessel's differential equation proof. So jn of x we know. So to find j half of x, wherever n is there, replace 1 by 2. So j half of x is equal to summation r is equal to 0 to infinity minus 1 power r x by 2 power n. Instead of n, what I will write? 1 by 2 plus 2r into 1 by gamma of, again in the place of n I have substituted 1 by 2 plus r plus 1 r factorial. 1 by 2 plus 1 will become 3 by 2. So I can rewrite the same thing as j half of x is equal to summation r is equal to 0 to infinity minus 1 power r into x by 2 power, if I take LCM, actually x by 2 power 1 by 2 you can write it separately, into x by 2 power 2r you can write separately. Why? Because we are going to write the summation from r is equal to 0 to infinity. So this is just a constant and I can keep it outside in the next step. So 1 by gamma of 1 by 2 plus 1 is 3 by 2. So r I will write first, r plus 3 by 2 into r factorial. So let this be the main equation. So we just substituted n as 1 by 2 in this and we simplified. Now we are going to substitute all the values from r is equal to 0 to infinity. As I told, x by 2 power 1 by 2 is nothing but root of x by 2. I have taken it outside. So if we put r is equal to 0 minus 1 power 0, this term. So 1 and then x by 2 power 0. Anything power 0 is 1. So this term also will become 1. This has gone outside. So what is left over is 1 by gamma of r0 means 3 by 2 into 0 factorial. 0 factorial is also 1. Okay, don't write it as 0. So this is first term. Second term is minus. Why? Because now I am going to substitute r as 1. So minus 1 power minus 1 is minus. Okay, so this term has gone outside. Then x by 2 power 2 into r, that is 2 into 1, that is 2 itself, by gamma of 1 plus 3 by 2 into 1 factorial. 1 factorial is also 1. So gamma of 1 plus 3 by 2 is nothing but 5 by 2. So what is the next term? We can write one more term plus. Why? Because this minus 1 power r, so it will become plus minus plus, because now r is 2 now. So this will become plus minus 1 power 2. If you want, we can write this, but anyhow this is positive. Okay, minus 1 power 2 into x by 2 power 2r. 2 into 2, that is 4, into 1 by gamma of 2 plus 3 by 2 into 2 factorial and so on. So we are just going to simplify this term and we are going to use the basic gamma function formula. What are those means? Gamma of 1 by 2 is root pi. Okay, and also we will use gamma of n is equal to n minus 1 into gamma of n minus 1. So to find gamma of 3 by 2, what I will write? 3 by 2 minus 1 into gamma of 3 by 2 minus 1. So gamma of 3 by 2 is equal to 3 by 2 minus 1 is nothing but 1 by 2 into gamma of 1 by 2. What is gamma of 1 by 2? Root pi. So 1 by 2 into root pi. So instead of 3 by 2, what I will write? 1 by 2 root pi. Okay. So we are just going to substitute this. So j half of x is equal to, first term will become gamma of, one second, yes, let me write this x by 2 outside first. So 1 by 3 by 2, gamma of 3 by 2, how I will write? 1 by 2 into gamma of 1 by 2 minus x by 2 the whole square. Okay, minus x square by 4 into 1 by gamma of 5 by 2. how you will write gamma of 5 by 2? So I will write gamma of 5 by 2 within this. So gamma of 5 by 2 is equal to 3 by 2 into gamma of 3 by 2, because 5 by 2 minus 1. So already gamma of 3 by 2 is there with us. So I will write it as 3 by 2 into, what is gamma of 3 by 2? 1 by 2 into root pi. So like that we will be keep on writing the terms. Next term is plus x power 4 by 16, because this is power 4. X power 4 by 2 power 4 is 16. And the next term is 1 by gamma of 7 by 2. Of course we will simplify this into 2 factorial and so on. 2 factorial is 2. So how I will write? By substituting all the terms and simplifying, x by 2 into, this is square root, okay, inside. So this is root pi and 2 will come to the numerator, 2 by root pi minus x square by 4 into, these 2 will come in the numerator, 4 by 3 into gamma of 1 by 2 is root pi plus x power 4 by 16 into 8 by 15 into root pi into 2 plus and so on. Because this 7 by 2, how I will write? Same thing. Let me write this, since gamma of 7 by 2 is equal to 5 by 2 into 3 by 2 into 1 by 2 gamma of 1 by 2. So 5 3s are 15 by 8 into gamma of 1 by 2 is root pi. So this 8 in the denominator comes to the numerator. That's it. So now if you see 2 by x, so what are the common terms that we are going to take it? Let me write. This is j half of x. Okay. So j half of x is equal to, I'm going to take the common term, that is root pi is there common for all. So root of x by 2, root pi no. So I am writing inside the root. Root of x by 2 pi. So now what is there inside left over? 2 minus x square by 3, because this and this will get cancelled. Root pi has gone outside. Plus x power 4 by 60, etc. What we have to prove in terms of sin x. What is sin x formula? Sin x formula is, let me leave some space and write. What I have to write? X minus x cube by 6. That is 3 factorial, right? Plus x power 5 by 120, etc. This is what, okay. So how will I get it? If I take 2 by x common from this, I will get it. Just multiply this, x and x will get cancelled, first term 2. Again multiply this, x square will be there. So just take 2 by x common, or else from the result we can guess what I have to take common. So this is nothing but sin x. Okay. And now you can simplify these terms, because 2 is root 2 into root 2. Okay. And then x is root x into root x. One term will get cancelled. I have written the same thing. 2 is root 2 into root 2. X is root x into root x. If you just cancel, it is root of 2 by pi x into sin x. Similarly, we can prove j minus half of x. Could you please try it on your own? J minus half of x. So same equation, jn of x. Put n is equal to minus 1 by 2 in jn of x. Okay. So I have written this formula. R is equal to 0 to infinity minus 1 power r, x by 2 power n plus 2r. So this is minus 1 by 2 plus 2r divided by, in the denominator what you will have? N plus r. So n is minus 1 by 2 plus r plus 1. So minus 1 by 2 plus 1 is plus 1 by 2. So same things, x power minus 1 by 2 I have taken common. So x by 2 power 2r is there inside. So now I am going to substitute different values for r from 0 to infinity. Like same like what we have done. Since it's x by 2 power minus 1 by 2, if I rewrite it like this, 2 by x power 1 by 2. So x by 2 will become 2 by x and power is plus 1 by 2. So that I have written it as square root. So now I have to expand the terms by substituting it. R is equal to 0 means this will become something power 0 is 1. And again this will become 1. So 1 by 0 plus 1 by 2. So gamma of 1 by 2. That is the first term. Minus, what is the second term? X by 2 power 2, because r is 1. 1 by gamma of 1 plus 1 by 2, that is 3 by 2. Okay. Same way, we'll just expand the terms into 1 factorial. Okay. And then one more term we will write x by 2 the whole power 4, 1 by gamma of 5 by 2 into 2 factorial plus and so on. Same values you are going to substitute, gamma of 1 by 2, and this is gamma of 3 by 2, right? So gamma of 1 by 2 is root pi, and then gamma of 3 by 2 is 1 by 2 into gamma of 1 by 2, that is equal to 1 by 2 into root pi, and gamma of 5 by 2 is equal to 3 by 2 into 1 by 2 into gamma of 1 by 2. So which is nothing but 3 by 4 into root pi. We are going to substitute all these things in the above equation. And I have written these j minus half of x's. Same thing, I have just substituted the values in the, see here. Instead of 1 by gamma of 1 by 2, root pi I have substituted. Same thing, again 1 by 2 root pi, and then the third one is 3 by 4 root pi. If since it's there in the denominator, 4 by 3 root pi, and so on. So now root pi we have taken common. Okay. So root of 2 by pi x into, if you see this, this is nothing but cos x formula. That's it. Hence proof j half of x is nothing but root of 2 by pi x into sin x, and j minus half of x is root of 2 by pi x into cos x. What we did, simply we have written jn of x, the general formula, and substituted, here it is, substituted n as 1 by 2 in the first formula, and expanding the summation r is equal to 0 to infinity, and n as minus 1 by 2 in the second formula. Thank you.